Sammy, would you like some chocolate cookies?
Yeah?
What? Are you all right?
Susie, I can't ask you anything anymore. You may have, you know, Mister Meeseeks jeans.
Yeah, it sounds huge. Are you scared that I will vanish after fulfilling your wish?
Yes, Sue!
You know, I've read in the Tibidabo news that you can transfer Mister Meeseeks' gene to something.
What should I do? I'm a desperate slime!
It's not hard. We can do it right now.
Hurry, Sue! Let's go!
Hi, guys! Congratulations to me, because today Sam will do anything I tell him.
Hail Tibidaba! Slimes are immune to Mister Meeseeks' gene. Up!
Easy! You see, he looks so happy with his task today.
Actually, I can't wait to make our own Mister Meeseeks!
And he'll be so adorable and plush. So let's cut out the pieces for the toy. Here are the paper patterns. Let's just transfer the outlines with tailor's chalk.
Guys, give this video a thumbs up if you like making stuffed toys too!
Sam is right, and I will keep working on the patterns. Now we'll use the scissors to cut these out. Don't forget to leave a little extra for stitches. Remember, this is not a toy. Be careful and ask for help if you need it.
Check this out! Teeth will be brushy too! Will he be able to chew anything?
I guess these creatures don't have time to taste food.
No cookies, no marshmallows, no chocolate! They just pop and disappear!
Sammy and his imagination. Our Mister Meeseeks is gonna stay here much longer.
Blue color is good, but his orange hair is so cool! He has it in some different versions.
Yeah, let's repeat the same steps with orange plush. We'll draw out this outline on the fabric. And then we'll just cut it out. 2 pieces for the hair will be just fine.
Oh, here you are!
Right on time.
Hey, stop! It's not fair! I can't say anything resembling a wish to you!
Hail Tibidaba, that doesn't spread on me. Could you get me that teeth pattern?
Here you go! This Mister Meeseeks is quite a toothy guy!
That's right, and he's very friendly too. He smiles a lot. Whoa, looks awesome!
Oh my feta, the teeth are made of felt, not plush. Seems like we've got everything we need! Too early for snow! Susie!
Oops, my bad. Now it's all over the table.
Sue, I think I'm getting an allergy! Achoo!
It's so fluffy and light, so I can't resist. Sorry.
Guys, she's becoming better at mischief than me! I can lose my job!
No way, you're still the best. Guys, give a thumbs up if you agree. And this is the tool for the next step.
Finally, the tough stuff is on! Prepare the matching threads!
We'll place the spool on top and load the bobbin.
Orange threads only mean one thing. We're starting with Mister Meeseeks' hair! Stay tuned, people!
First, we'll put the pieces together under the needle, flipping them inside out.
Adults, are you here? We need your help!
Then we'll just press the pedal and the process is on. Watch out for your fingers. You have to move and press the fabric down at the same time.
Two actions at once? You need Mister Meeseeks to help you through!
In the end, I'll have one, but now I'm totally fine by myself.
Hey, what about me? I'm your partner after all!
Yeah, how can I forget? Thanks, partner. Hup, and it's stuffed with cotton toy filler.
Okay, I tried sewing and failed! Do it, Susie! I give up!
Sure you did. You need to use a sewing machine for that. As always, be careful, guys. seam is very sturdy. Check this out. Sammy, bring the hair out.
I'm turning into Mister Meeseeks for real, huh?
Let's put everything together. And whoosh. What do you think, alien helper? I can't read your mind.
Susie, I brought… You're transforming already!
Not yet. We still have some time. By the way, your jaw dropped. Pick it up and bring it here. We need it for the next step.
Just a moment, I'm working! The patients will smile!
Great news! So let's attach this piece to the head. Let's work with the needle this time.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up! Hey, Sue! I see that we're almost done here!
Our plush Mister Meeseeks would disagree with you. We still have to make the whole body and stuff it up.
Hey, sewing machine, hurry up! What do you want, new threads?
You can't bargain with the machine. Nice try, though. Guys, we've made the stitches, and now we'll just flip the sides. It's so fuzzy! And the left arm is ready, too.
Where are they? Where are they? They ran away?
What's going on? Who are those mysterious they?
Not here! Aha! Not there, too! There's nothing here as well. I'm talking about the toy legs. They were here and then pop! They disappeared!
Sounds like Mister Meeseeks. Oh, here's the first catch.
I found the soul! But there is one more. Interesting. I think I'm feeling it.
'Cause here it is. Guys, we go back to sewing. First, we'll put together the upper and the lower pieces of the leg.
Hey, what about the soul piece?
It will go last, after the stuffing. Have some patience, please.
It's quite a big deal for slimes, you know.
And one leg of Mister Meeseeks is done.
You thought I'd leave the second one behind?
Oh, loving it! So we can attach the head, the arms, and the legs to the torso.
Shiver me chatters! I can't wait to see him dance! Susan, I found the way to ask you to do anything for me! Check this out! And also… Look here! That's cool, huh?
What if a silent request can also activate Mister Meeseeks' genes?
How should I tell you about that, then?
Oh, you hinted for me to stuff the toy. I was prepared for that.
You're impossible! Ha! I call you for a toy stuffing snow battle!
Sam, cut it out!
Actually, I brought you the head. Don't throw things at me!
Thanks, Sammy. Now we need to attach it to the body. And here is our Mister Meeseeks. Say hi! But he defo needs the eyebrows.
Right! How could I forget about that? Guys, you had better ask for help here and be careful!
And finally, here he is! Mister Meeseeks, are you ready to fulfill our wishes?
Wait! In the series, you should spawn him from the box first!
All right. Sammy, does it mean that I'm free from Mister Meeseeks' genes now?
Yeah, sure. Just put him in the box. Hurry! Ah, finally! I got my own Mister Meeseeks.
Wait, are we supposed to share?
I got him first! Na-na-na-na-na-na! He's mine!
I'll go get the toy back to show it to you once more.
Susan, this moment has finally come! Here, I wrote all my wishes down!
And who said I would fulfill them, huh? I didn't make such promises. But as your friend, I'll make your one wish come true. So pick wisely.
We'll make a new craft! Tomorrow!
Okay then. Guys, give us a thumbs up if you like this new plush toy. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye,